So guys, in today's video we're making avocado hair mask. My hair loves avocado so much. Yeah, so this is one avocado. So the amount of avocado you're going to be using depends on your hair, if you have plenty or if your hair is not that much. For me, this one is okay. All right, you can add more, you can also reduce. So I just split off and add my oils, and I will blend it. Okay, yeah.
Richest style, yeah, yeah, richest style, got to love. It's on the beat, baby. Richest style, yeah, na.
Avocados are very amazing when it comes to hair growth. It helps to moisturize and strengthen your hair, protects hair, and it also adds shine, and it adds vitamin E and vitamin B, okay, to your hair. Okay, it contains a lot of antioxidants which helps to unclog your hair follicles, reduce scalp inflammation, and also reduce breakage, okay, which results your hair into a stronger hair. It gives your hair shine. It is very amazing, okay, because it nourishes your scalp. So I added water, yeah, then I'll add my oils. Okay, I'll add coconut oil, and I'll also add my this oil. All right, I always forget the name of this oil, I don't know why. Castor oil. So if you watch up to this point, please subscribe, like, and share. All right.
Richest style, are you involved? When you're with some say richest style. So if you look for a channel on YouTube, where they got it on lifestyle,
So guys, the next thing I'll do is to cover it up, and I'll go ahead and blend it. I'll blend it very smooth. Okay, this blender is very good. So if you have a good blender, you just blend it until it is smooth and perfect, and it is ready to use. If you don't have a good blender, you can blend it and you sieve it out. Okay, when I didn't have this blender, that's what I usually do. I just blend it and I sieve. But since I bought this blender, it is so amazing that as I just blend it once, it is ready for me to use. There'll be no particles that are going to be staying or lying in my hair. Okay, so if you don't want particles on your hair, do that method. Make sure you blend and you sieve. All right, so for me, this blender is very good. I don't have to do that. Okay, please subscribe if you've not subscribed, and give the video a thumbs up, and also help me to share. So I'll just show you guys how it looks like, but it is still too thick, so I added another water, okay, so as to help it to blend very well. All right, see, it is smooth already, but just that it's too thick, so I needed to add water and make sure I blend it very well again. So this is me adding water. All right, then I will blend it again. All right, guys.
that's where you wanna be, where you wanna be. That's what you're for. So what you need to make you subscribe. I beg you, make it always strive. Bring it to your notice. No good dog, I love some my logo. Inside Italy city. No good dog, I love some my logo. Say, just YouTube, make you go subscribe to you. Leave me the block for you. So watch your video. Reach your style. So reach your style. Reach your style. You know what's up. You get the style, you know.
So I finished blending. The next thing is I'm going to put it in this my what's it called, container that I'll use to apply, okay, into my hair. So this is how it looks like. It's so smooth and perfect. All right, so look at the texture, it is so amazing. So right now what I'll do is I'll apply it to my hair, okay, starting from my scalp to the roots, like that. All right, so As I'm doing that, I'll just give you more of the benefits when it comes to avocado. My hair loves avocado so much because it keeps my hair soft, it moisturizes my hair, keeps my scalp so nutritious. It is rich in vitamin E. Avocado acts as an antioxidant to repair damaged scalp. Okay, it is essential. It helps when it comes to uninterrupted hair growth. It strengthens and reduces breakage. Okay, if you're having breakage, make sure to always use avocado because the protein and the vitamin B and E helps to strengthen your hair, helps to reduce the breakage that causes thinning in your hair. Okay, it also helps to promote your hair growth and make your hair to be very thick. So if you want thick hair, always use avocado. It contains biotin, contains vitamin B and vitamin E, and this helps to strengthen your hair follicles. Okay, increase your hair thickness. It protects your hair damage, okay, from damaging. Like avocado acts as a natural heat protectant and shields hair from environmental damage. Oh my goodness, no wonder my hair loves avocado so much. All right, so it is so amazing. Can you imagine that avocado helps to fight against heat damage? Okay, protect your hair from environmental, all this environmental thing that can come and destroy your hair. So always use avocado if you want your hair to be thick. Okay, it is good for thicker hair, it stops hair thinning. So this is me showing you how my hair feels, okay, after applying this. Take a look at my hair, it feels so amazing. Oh my goodness, in fact the coils are well defined. Okay, it defines the coils, and yeah, take a look at how it looks like. So this is it, it's just popping. So if you're not subscribed up to this one, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free. Subscribe for more videos like this, give the video a thumbs up and help me to share. So I'm so excited. You can see that in my face already. Ah, yeah.